So in the figure shown, we have a circle with center at point O. BC is the diameter of the circle. PQ is tangent to this circle at point A. Angle CBA is given as 30 degree, and we have to find the value of angle PAC, that is angle X. So in order to solve this question, first of all, we need to do one construction here. The construction is to join points O and A. So now angle OAP will be 90 degree. What is the reason? It is because of a theorem. So the theorem says that if we have a circle, this is the center of the circle, and we have any tangent drawn to this circle, this is the point of contact. So if we join the center with the point of contact, then this angle will be 90 degree. So likewise, PQ is the tangent, O is the center, A is the point of contact. So if we join OA, then this line segment will be perpendicular to the tangent PQ. Now let us focus on this part of the circle. So this is an arc which subtends an angle of 30 degree at point B. So at the center, it will subtend double this angle. So this will be 60 degree. Why? Because we have a theorem that if we have a circle, and suppose this is an arc and this is the center of the circle. So let us take any point, this point on the circumference of the circle. So this arc makes an angle theta, say for example theta here. Then the same arc at the center will subtend an angle twice theta. So in our case, AC is the arc. It is subtending an angle 30 degree at point B. So at the center, it will subtend 60 degrees. Now, after this, if we analyze the figure, OC is the radius of the circle. OA will also be radius of the circle. So these two sides are equal. Thus, these two angles, this angle and this angle, will be equal. So if angle at O is 60 degree, the remaining two angles must also be 60 degree each in order to satisfy the condition for these two angles being equal. So in a way, we got this triangle OAC as an equilateral triangle. Let me erase this. Now let us focus on OAP. So this point is O, this point is A, and this point is P. This angle is 90 degree, and we have C here. This angle is X, and this angle OAC we found as 60 degree, and this total angle is 90 degree. So 60 degree plus X must be equal to 90 degree. So X will be equal to 30 degree. So the required angle PAC, that is X, is nothing but 30 degrees. If you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.